Hi guys, so it is Sunday the 26th of October and I wanted to make a video about what I've been doing today. Because I think everyone should have like a website, right? Or some sort of front page to showcase their quality. And I believe that will help me get a job as well. It will show me that I'm capable of using WordPress, SaaS, front end stuff. But it's taken me a while today. For those who don't know, I've got a website called benjamingamage.com. And there's a page on there called Links, which I referenced on my YouTube channel and all these other things, right? The page itself was fine. I mean, it was WCAG compliant and it ran quite quickly. It ran very quickly actually, but the code was so messy and I wanted more customization. So when I was updating it live on WordPress, on Hostinger, I had so much caching issues. It wouldn't, I'd make a change and then it wouldn't update. And also I wanted more styling, customization. So I've basically created an offline sort of replica of my page, and the theme that I'm updating on the offline, which I think I'm using, sorry if you can hear that, I'm using local sites to basically make the changes. And then when they're to my satisfaction, I'm going to put on Hostinger manually. And I was using an FTP thing before that. But the issue with that was it wouldn't update the actual files within the theme, which I'm calling Benbase. It wouldn't update Benbase. And when it did change, there was a massive delay. So it was such a slow workflow. So this way it's a lot quicker. But it took me all day just to figure that out, right? And I feel like such an idiot. There's the imposter syndrome coming in because I feel like, well, I should know this by now. It's really easy stuff. And so far my problems are that thinking about solutions to problems is no problem at all, ironically. It's implementing those. And I'm learning to implement those solutions, but I can see all these problems. And I know I'm going on a bit here, but I was thinking about yesterday as well. Sorry, when I made that video about losing my job and the fact that so many people can't think of solutions to problems. Or maybe they just focus on the white noise of data, where they get all this data and then they think, oh, therefore this must mean this. But there's nuances to data, there's personal biases and stuff like that, and people can't really think of solutions. Although, like I said yesterday, I'm being very contradicting here because I can't find the solution to finding a job. And that is a problem that I have. I haven't looked much today. I've been doing a lot of studying, but I will be looking at something part-time. But before this job, which I didn't even look at my CV, by the way, I couldn't even get a job as a bin man. There's just no jobs here in Leicester, which is where I live. So, it's tough. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I am, but I just think it's a marketplace value issue. I need to become more valuable in the marketplace. So, in order to get that value, I need to present that with portfolio stuff, right? Like the website, like whatever mini apps I decide to make, whether that's Shaco, my offline AI assistant. But they're all sort of rudimentary stuff right now. I haven't fine-tuned Shaco yet because my GPU, I'm running off my CPU. Tokens are shit. So I need a GPU capable of that. But that will come in time. And if you guys are interested in all the shit I'm talking about, you can check my GitHub. I'll put in the links in the description. Or if you want to know, just comment below. But yeah, this is day one. And I think the problem is I just need to keep trying, need to keep going, need to keep studying, struggling. Journey's going to be a bloody long one. But, I ain't no bitch, If people don't want... I work my ass off someone give me an opportunity, but I'm not going to give up now just because someone doesn't give me one. I'll make my own opportunities. And I think that starts with building this website, learning new skills, implementing those new skills, finding solutions to problems that people have. But baby steps.